Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to hide the play shortcut in your Discord DMs list. This feature can help you clean up your chat interface and make things look a lot more organized, especially if you don't use the play shortcut often. The best part is that it only takes a few simple steps to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will bring up your account and app settings where all the customization options are found. Next, tap on the settings icon. You'll be taken to a list filled with different configuration options for your account and app preferences. From here, scroll down the menu until you find the section labeled Advanced. This is where Discord keeps extra features and experimental settings that can change how your app looks and behaves. After you tap Advanced, keep scrolling down until you see the option that says Hide Play Shortcut in DMs List. This is a setting we're looking for. By default, it's usually turned off, which means the play shortcut is visible right next to your friends' names in your DMs list. To hide it, simply toggle the switch next to Hide Play Shortcut in DMs List to turn it on. The switch should change color, confirming that the setting is active. Once you've done that, you can go back to your DMs to confirm that the play shortcut is now hidden. Your chat list should look much cleaner, with less visual clutter. That's all it takes. You've successfully hidden the play shortcut from your Discord DMs